Queen here, and we're back with Claudia, our pampered chef special lady. This is a great recipe. It's grilled spinach, honey, and basil pizza. I'm so excited to try this. It only takes 5 minutes to get ready, prep, and 20 minutes of just the cooking time and moving time. So within a half hour, we're gonna have this all ready, and it only takes 8 ingredients and 8 steps. Super easy. So we'll get started.
All right, great. Thanks, Virginia, for having me over again. So we're gonna go ahead and make it. First, we have 8 cups of spinach in our plastic batter bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and put our garlic cloves in. And
how many garlic cloves does it call for?
So it calls for 3, but there's a little one in there, so I'm gonna do 4.
Okay.
Today, so we're gonna use our garlic press. This is a real classic product, Pampered Chef.
I finally had real garlics here.
If you notice, I did not take the peel off.
Okay.
Nope, you can just...
I always have, so I've just learned something new.
Yeah, and it's really simple. And then when you open it, you can just literally put this into your trash can,
which we have our trash can
without touching, so you don't get garlic on your hands.
Oh, because I always do, my hands always do smell like garlic.
Right, sometimes you can get 1 or 2 in here.
Well, you're strong. I usually have to call my husband to come in and do it.
Yeah, depending on if it's older or not. Sorry. Okay, and then 1 more.
All right, I'm gonna have to do my own now that I know that you don't have to take that little peel off.
There we go. Okay.
And if you're like us, we kind of guess if it looks right. Just adds flavor.
Alrighty, so we're ready to put it into the microwave for 2 minutes.
Okay.
You wanna do that?
Well, that took fast because I just put it in there for 2 minutes, and that was 8 cups. But you said that measures exactly 8 cups if you just
It does. It measures 8 cups, and so magic of TV, you can see it's shrunk down a lot. So 8 cups really, it seems like a lot, but it's not. And in this particular recipe, it really helps.
No, very good.
So while that's there, we're gonna go ahead and get our pizza dough ready. So today we're using our Pillsbury grilled pizza, our Pillsbury refrigerated dough.
Oh, actually, this is great value. Okay.
Oh, it's okay.
I have the generic one. So.
It's okay. So we're using our refrigerated pizza dough.
There.
And the recipe calls to use it in our double burner grill pan. I don't have that at the moment yet, but we are gonna use half of this to use it in the grill pan that we have. We're going to use this is our stainless steel sugar and flour shaker, and it used to be plastic, but Pampered Chef has revamped it into stainless steel, which is very pretty. It's
durable.
Looks definitely durable. A lot of people were having, we're putting it on the oven, and sometimes it was melting. They forget or whatnot, but it's really beautiful. So you can put flour, sugar. Today we have cornmeal in this, so we're gonna put that on our
the cornmeal helps so it won't stick.
Exactly.
Correct?
Yes. And then this is our baker's roller. Helps to roll it out in the shape that we would like.
Yeah, so if you're keeping track, we had spinach, garlic, and I did get, so I said, what are you gonna do with all that spinach? Smoothies!
Yep, there you go.
8 cups of shrinks way down. And we've got basil coming up. We've got ricotta cheese coming up. The honey, of course, Cox's honey. Mozzarella cheese. You can do fresh and grate it yourself, or you can just cheat and do like me, buy it grated. And of course, we're using our pink Himalayan salt.
Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start our burner.
Okay. You got it. Medium?
Yes, medium. Definitely do medium. You don't want to go higher than that. So we're gonna, as soon as it heats up, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the grill. filling. So we've got the spinach and the garlic, and microwaved it for 2 minutes. So then we're gonna add the ricotta cheese, and it's half a cup of ricotta cheese. First in here, okay. And then we're gonna add a cup of mozzarella, and of course Cox's honey, which is our starter ingredient.
Oh, that's a neat little contraption.
Yes, definitely helps. This is great when you're using liquid. Well, it does do liquids, so on this half, and then this half, when you've got smoother things like honey or peanut butter, yogurt, anything like that, when you're measuring, so that you're using most of the ingredient, you're not leaving out.
It's awesome.
So I love it. This is our measure all cup, so, and it comes in different sizes as well. So got that, and then we're gonna mix it up. Oh, you know what, I forgot. So basil, and Virginia here she grows her own basil, so that's amazing.
Oh,
we're gonna take a few leaves.
We love that in almost everything. Poor people that come here to visit, that's what we just
Right.
We put it in egg McMuffins, egg McBagels, in fact, egg McBagels. Fresh and put that on the top.
Right, so I'm going to do this one-handed. So this is our professional shears, and we do have a mill, but this will work.
Okay, so you took about 4 or 5 leaves off there. It's like a fourth a cup.
Fourth a cup, yeah. Last time I came on, I talked about our enrichables.
Oh,
so this is pea protein. It gives, since we're not having a protein in this particular meal, it gives a little bit of boost. Remember, it's not a meal replacement, but it does give nutritional value to your meals. So we're gonna use about half of the packet.
And then does it change the flavor at all?
It doesn't, absolutely does not change the flavor. And it's gonna look mushy, gooey, but I promise you it's gonna be delicious. So I make this, my 6-year-old, it is 6-year-old approved, he loves it.
I like
So.
that. That's when I make them with my grandchildren, that's a sure thing if they're gonna eat it.
Yes, definitely. Well, and it's got Cox's honey, so
Yep, it
it's
does.
amazing. All right, so now I'm gonna pour in a little bit, and you can add salt and pepper. Here's we have pink Himalayan salt, and as you know, I don't really
Use the
measure.
extra. Yeah, don't measure. No, always
but
better.
if you're gonna use it, like, you know, it's really to taste. Half a teaspoon of salt is fine. All right, so this is ready, and I think our burner is probably ready.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and transfer our dough right now, and sometimes this is what I use. This is our, we have, at Pampered Chef, we have garlic infused oil.
Oh,
So-
yeah, we talked about that. last
Right,
time.
and this is our little container, because what happens is that when you use products from the store, like the aerosol containers that are sprayed,
Yes.
they leave a residue on the cans.
Oh.
And it could cost you your warranty on your pans. Also will ruin your pans, and you don't want that. So definitely.
Oh, that is cool.
You just give it a few pumps, and then here, we're gonna go ahead and turn the pizza dough over, and then you're gonna see it's got this wonderful grill marks right here. Beautiful. Okay. And it's just 3 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and put half of our filling right here. Because remember, we can make 2 out of this. And if your one, you know, family members don't really like spinach and say they like, and we're gonna go ahead and put cheese, but they do like other vegetables such as broccoli, that would be a good substitution. Just make sure that the broccoli is steamed, and you can also add sweet peppers would be good. Beautiful red onion would be good to add to this. Pretty much anything that you and your family like and want to add, but I do suggest that you cook it beforehand on the stove, on a pan. And so right now we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes it says, and then it'll be ready to drizzle on the honey. So back again, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about this. This is called the grill press, and it does go well with our grill pan and the double burner pan. We do have a set that comes with two with the double burner, and then you can also buy this on the side. So with this, you can make paninis, you can make grilled cheese sandwiches, and other things. Also with the grill pan, you can make your hamburgers, your steaks, your hot dogs, lots of different options that you can have. So.
Wow. Okay, so we ended up actually doing two because we didn't use fresh mozzarella cheese. We had used the already grated in the bag. But then I had fresh mozzarella too, so you can see the difference here. Okay, there's a big difference. I think I would rather eat that one.
Me too.
But it melted a little faster, a little bit better.
Definitely.
And then you top it with the honey?
And then to top it off, we drizzle honey right on top.
No measurement again.
Nope.
And it was about a half a cup more of the mozzarella cheese that we topped it with.
Yeah. So yeah, you're gonna get a sweet and savory meal. It's really delicious. So again, our grilled spinach, honey, and basil pizza.
And why don't we cut it and eat it?
All right. And this month, when you have a qualifying party, you can get stoneware. This is our stoneware mount. So, and then also when you purchase $80 or more, you're going to get a choice of a pizza cutter or a personal stone pizza. Our grill pan is available. It comes with the handle comes right off, so it's better for storage. And so yeah,
Great.
good thing.
Well, be sure and share the recipe. We're sharing the pizza, so don't forget. And subscribe to my channel. Get this recipe down below in the details and on Pinterest. I'm also found on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. So, oh, grandchildren, did you find the bees? Right there. 2 of them, 1, 2.
And you can reach out to me www.pamperedchef.biz/cooking with Claudia, and cooking without the G. So you can look me up on Facebook as well.
And Honey Queen says, have a sweet day. Bye.
Bye.